If you're planning to get your rental property management license in British Columbia in 2026, the very first step is registering for the official program at UBC. To get started, open your browser and head over to the UBC Sauder School of Business website. It's important to make sure you are on the official UBC Sauder site and not a third-party advertisement, as this is the only authorized provider of licensing education in the province. Once you've reached the homepage, find the Programs option in the main menu, look for the section called Real Estate Division, then click Licensing and Registration Courses option. On this screen, you will see various regulatory bodies listed. Please select BCFSA, which stands for the BC Financial Services Authority. From there, you will see a list of available courses. Choose the Rental Property Management Licensing course. Now we can see the Register Now button. Click it. This will take you into the official UBC registration system where you'll begin your online form. First, you need to select the correct registration option based on your current status. If this is your first real estate-related license and you do not currently hold any other BCFSA license, you should select the full course with the $1,450 registration fee. However, if you already hold a valid license in mortgage brokerage, trading, or strata management and are simply adding rental management, you should choose the supplemental course option for $975. During this process, you will also see an option to purchase a printed course manual for $225. If you prefer a physical textbook, you can add it here. Otherwise, you can skip this option and use the electronic version included in your tuition. After clicking Continue, you will reach the required reading section. Please take a moment to read through these terms carefully, check the acknowledgement box, and move forward. As you reach Step 3 of 7, titled Previous Registration and Licensing History, most new students should select No for all 3 questions. But if you have registered with UBC Sauder before, be sure to answer based on your actual record. Next, you will be asked to enter your personal information. It is vital that your legal name matches your government-issued ID exactly to ensure your eventual license is processed correctly. Moving on to Step 5, you will review the course and Freedom of Information confirmations. This part doesn't require new information. You simply need to review the policies and check the required boxes to confirm your agreement. To finalize the application, you'll be asked to indicate your reason for registering. Finally, you will reach the review page. Take one last look at all your details to ensure everything is accurate. Then proceed to submit and pay the registration fee. Once your payment is completed, your registration is official. You will soon receive a confirmation email with your student number, allowing you to log into the learning platform and start studying right away. Registering for the UBC course is a great first step, but the self-study can be challenging. At Quick Pass Master Tutorial School, our programs are specifically designed to help you navigate the curriculum and approach the exam with total confidence. To learn more about how we can help you succeed, please visit our official website at getrealestatelicenses.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.